A strong tornado, followed by rain and hail, hit the historic center of Catania, causing serious damage. Several people were injured. Ring Road in tilt due to the presence of trees and street lamps on the pavement. 118 firefighters and municipal and regional civil protection for rescue interventions. The municipality recommends citizens to pay the utmost attention and not to leave the house except for urgent reasons. The tornado also damaged homes and businesses. Several uprooted trees and fallen street lamps have been reported. Citizens are recommended not to go out except for urgent reasons, reads the Facebook page of the municipality. None of the injured rescued at the moment are hospitalized in the city hospital, but there were allegedly bruised people.
Mamma mia, dalle unghie, la veranda, ha volato dell'8